Chevrolet V8 engines, both kicking out around about 500 horsepower each. Both running through different variations of a TH400 drag racing gearbox. In the Grim Reaper, you have to manually select every gear, 1, 2 and 3, whereas in Big Pete, I could just stick it into drive and let it do its thing. As you can see as we're driving round, the Grim Reaper has 20 inches of nitrogen shock coilover suspension, whereas the Big Pete has only 6 inches of leaf spring suspension, the kind of suspension you find on a Roman chariot. Which means to drive in Big Pete is a lot more painful and uncomfortable. We have had lots of jobs look at Big Pete and go, no thank you, you can keep that. You can see we've got independent gear steering. Essentially both monster trucks are fitted with 2 front axles pointed in 2 separate directions. Without independent gear steer, you won't be able to turn around these monster trucks in high speeders like this. Now, we go on to the first piece of the competition. Big Pete versus the Grim Reaper in an old-fashioned drag race. I've got my high heels on ready. Just going to move a little bit over here, Andy. So I've got more of them up. Woo! Yeah! There we go. Now, the Grim Reaper, 5.5 tons, permanent 4-wheel drive, versus Big Pete, 7.5 tons. But Big Pete has a little secret. When the Grim Reaper, on a 3, 2, 1 countdown from all you people, when you get to 1, Andrew will hit the accelerator and all 4 wheels of the Grim Reaper will simultaneously hook up and it will propel the Grim Reaper down the arena, whereas I have put all the power to the rear wheels only. That means on a 3, 2, 1 countdown from all you people, these huge treaded tyres will dig into this softening dry dirt and spray all these people. My favourite bit. Who wants to see all these people in their lovely white clothes get covered in dirt? Yeah. That's the biggest cheer of the show so far. You're all doomed. Look at that, Grim Reaper's got a huge head start on me. I'm not having that. Now drag racing. Not necessarily about who has the fastest vehicle. Hello. They're the person that can cheat the best. And I'm not going to let him have such a head start. So, Devon Truck Show, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It was an easy win for Big Pete. What a totally honest and honourable drag race that was. Absolutely no cheating had by anyone. And now, the tug of war. First things first, put it into reverse and then go from 2-wheel drive into 4-wheel drive and then high box into low box. There we go. Just going to use the rear steer to line myself up a little bit. Then I look across to my colleague Dan. He's going to tell me when I'm just about at the right spot. Okay, stick it to park. Right, and once it's clear, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back a little bit further for what I call maximum snatchage. I think I downloaded that film by accident. People in Devon, do you want to see this car die? Give me a shout if you want the Grim Reaper to get the biggest pace. Or give me a shout if you want Big Pete to get the biggest pace. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there was no resistance there! By the definitely not Chevy Devon it is. Oh! Ha! There's only the rear quarter behind the Grim Reaper, which can only mean one thing. Big Pete is the winner! Big Pete's tyres to go up together and down together. Ooh. We need a slight adjustment, yeah, but I've had a brain fart and forgotten which side. Yes, that side. At least Dan knows what he's doing. That's the most important thing. We're just going to have a little adjustment. As you might have witnessed, Big Pete, front left, near side front, went up a fraction before the other tyre. A little bit more. Is he happy? Okay, I'll just hit it and see what happens. What could go wrong? I'm in a monster truck. Right, here we go. People are having a drug show! You want to see sun damage? Oh, I was rather hoping you'd say no. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. I've changed my mind. I don't want to do this anymore. make sure everything's okay. And I'm hoping he's going to say no. But I don't have to do that again. Oh, good news! Everything's fine. Yeah. Where am I going? CJ's gone wrong! There you go. Look at those cars, those rears. They're absolutely mud. Destroyed. Okay, here we go for the Grim Reaper. We're looking. Both front wheels to go up together and down together. We're looking for 2 thumbs up from the driver. He makes the call. He's happy. Devon Truck Show. Do you want to see some damage? In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my goodness! Almost cleared the starter! What a jumper! Now we bring around Big Pete for his second jump. It's when you look down the barrel of the gun and you think, here we go again. Oh, there must be better things I could be doing. Think I might get a job cleaning mirrors. It's something I can see myself doing. Devon Truck Show, do you want more? Do you want to see some damage? In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I've stalled an automatic, don't tell anyone. I think I've... hang on. Right, hold on. Hey! Hello! See what happens is we run cabs. They don't like me. Oh, I did. They don't like being vertical, they're cabs. So what happens is you get a sudden dump of fuel right into the engine, which if you're not careful... He makes the decision. We got 2 thumbs up. People in heaven, do you want more? Are you all four wheels right up into the air. And we're bringing the trucks together. Oh, give it up for the stars of the show. Those are the monster trucks, Big Pete and the Grim Reaper. Oh wow, what an incredible audience you've been. And don't forget, please give a round of applause to the Jungles of Yarn himself, and Julie. And of course, save your applause for me. Yes, thank you to Dan and Andy on the ground. Thank you to Michael for letting me play with his toys. And of course, thanks to all you